So in this video, we're going to look at the quotient rule with an e to the x. So I have this function f of x equals e to the 2x over 3x squared. Again, it's being divided. So when I want to take the derivative, I need to do the quotient rule. So again, the quotient rule, and I'm just going to write it as f divided by g, is g times f prime minus f times g prime all over g squared. Again, you can remember it as the derivative of like the high and the low. So it would be low d high minus high d low all over low squared. So in this case, if I write my two functions on the side, my high or my f would be e to the 2x, and my g or the low would be 3x cubed. Okay, so f prime is, when we do e, remember it's itself times the derivative of that exponent. So derivative of 2x is 2. And then the derivative of the low is 6x squared. And then we put it in our combination. So we do the low, and I wrote this backwards, so I'm going to start with this g. The low, I usually put it first, sorry about that, is 3x cubed times the derivative of the high, which is e to the 2x times 2 minus the high, which is e to the 2x times 6x squared, and then all over the low squared, which is g, which is 3x cubed squared. Okay, and so that gives me, I can do 3 times 2, which is 6x cubed e to the 2x minus, I'm just going to put the 6x squared first. And then when I square this, I have to square both of these. So 3 squared is 9, and x cubed squared is 3 times 2, which is x to the 6. And that would be your derivative for f of x.